Malachi saying hi?
She getting into the camera.
Guys, this is Rochelle, my sister-in-law. Say hi, Rochelle.
Hi.
Come on, do better than that. Do better than that. I know you're hungry, but do better than that.
Hi. It's like your body a lock or something.
I don't think so.
Well,
Yes, guys.
Addicted to it again.
So we're on the road right now. We're gonna go and get some food because everybody's hungry, everybody's starving. It's such a beautiful day today, guys. What do you think? What do you think about Canada so far?
Well, it's good. It's good. I like it.
What's the best thing about it so far? Apart from me.
The best thing about it is just the accessibility to things and places, and you know, like when you have certain queries,
Yeah.
and they'll say, "Oh, I'll get back to you in 4 or 5 days." By the next day.
Oh man.
Yeah, because I was inquiring about something on the internet.
And they got back to you.
Yeah, them emailed me the next day, in the early morning.
That's good. That's good. So, is there any similarities that I know that you guys haven't been here that long, or like a little over a week, but is there any similarities with Jamaica so far that you can identify?
I'm thinking about it. Well, what I saw is that, or what I'm seeing is that the people, they are a bit, you know, they seem friendly.
Yeah.
Jamaican people friendly, you know, and they are very helpful. Yeah.
For the most part.
Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, man.
That is true.
Yeah. So I would think that's a similarity.
Okay. So do you see yourself living here in Grand Prairie for a while, or you think the first chance I get to getting out of the city?
No man, I like it here, and the fact that it's not busy that much. I mean, look at the road. I might think that.
Yeah. Ability and the roads and stuff.
Yeah, I like this place. I mean, I know I'm busy.
Malika, say hi. You're just like sticking out the tongue.
I like country, you know, I like bush.
So yeah, it's a Grand Prairie bush. Yes, no bush right there?
Bush, no, me not enough bush. But me like me not like too much noise area and you know, city place. Me not like too much of that. So.
Bro, you breed? Yeah, because
this
like
place.
him covered around there. Yeah, it's covered around there. Yes, guys, so come along. We're gonna go to Denny's and get some breakfast. Cause I know we don't like IHOP, but there's no IHOP in Grand Prairie. But I have to bring it up still because we don't like it. But we're going to Denny's and we're gonna get some food, guys. I don't know how it is.
Listen, Jamaica KFC line still full for the Friday. It's full every day.
How much for a 3-piece? A big deal right now.
4,000.
Not bad. I know that it wasn't before we left this.
Probably 1,500 there.
Yeah, remember 2-piece I would at $1,000.
Yeah, so it's about close to 1,500, I think.
What, 1,500 a 3-piece?
No, you're going to go next part.
I don't know, my fingers with when I'm too tight.
Some fancy restaurant.
Yeah. What's up? Oh, high five. High five. You wanna come in dinner? Oh, high five. Too slow. Too slow. Come on, say hi, sir. Hi. My name is Zuri. Oh. Good job, Zuri. That's okay. You know what? Is good brother. Everyone's hungry. We're hungry. You are not in Canada unless you have tried poutine.
AKA Vladimir.
Russia, make a better face when you're trying poutine.
How is it? How is it?
That is on the swing.
Mashed potato.
Yeah, it's like a fried mashed potato. Yeah.
With gravy and cheese and
Some of them can add meat. Cheese curd.
yeah. It's called poutine. This is as Canadian as it gets.
It tastes like KFC famous bowl.
When you finish that, you will start having the Russian accent. It's literally poutine. It is.
That's Jasmine.
That's it. I said no.
I don't like pepperoni because it's so salt.
Daddy tricked you again? Come, let's blow bubbles first.
Malika, Ailey's blowing bubble. Whoa. Pop, 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 pop. Wow. Maria, acting shy.
Let's go.
You've never been there.
Start over here on 102.
If you were going to go later and come for your set of kids.
Yeah, you can still come for them. You can still come for them.
Joey's gonna. You come in? That's normally one go.
Oh no! What's that thing? You want to touch the water?
Water's too big? So that's why they're like, oh, I like Eva. I like Eva so much. She's always has. You always saw that comment.
Yeah, I saw the comment.
Oh, you saw the comments.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I liked it.
Yeah. They're always saying, oh, I like Eva. Eva has good energy.
Yeah. Is that what's the bad word in Jamaica? Wait.
Bumbleclad.
Bumbleclad.
That's the one.
Last one, Jamaica.
You have to say it like you mean it, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I don't mean it. It's
Yep.
bad. I just want to say it for fun.
You have to.
That's not to everyone.
It's a beautiful day, man.
It is. Beautiful day in GP.
We have so much to be thankful for.
I was working out earlier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here?
Like out on the bench.
You want water? Oh yeah.
Yeah, with some sausages.
Sounds like my kind of workout. You should have invited me, bro.
A man's workout.
That's a man's workout.
Other men working out to gain muscles. I'm working out to gain weight.
Did you guys go to Rib Fest?
I went and got food yesterday, yeah.
How was it?
It was okay. It wasn't
What is it?
spectacular.
Yeah.
Which one did you go to?
I don't remember the name of the end one today.
The
Left.
Billy Bones.
Yeah,
The one?
Yeah.
I guess.
that's the one.
Billy Bones.
Yeah. Darn GP. Every other city is having Carry West, Carry Fest, Carry Bana. You can keep it, guys. We got Rib Fest.
Oh,
We got Rib Fest.
How about that street festival?
We haven't been there. Well,
Yeah.
I have been there, but they haven't been there yet
Mm-hmm.
because the kids were sleeping yesterday.
Have you ever been to one?
No,
No,
not my
how about
real.
you?
It's not my cup of tea.
Yeah, we wanted to do it today, but they want the splash water more. So.
Yeah, this is more fun
The street festival.
than to start. Well,
Goodness.
Haley, are you having fun? Yeah.
Haley's living the dream today.
Ooh. And Haley's having the time of her life.
Yeah.
I enjoy it. All of them. Yeah, stay there. Stay there.
The blue one. Stay there. The blue one, hey.
You guys are confusing Haley.
Go to the blue one, Haley. The blue one. It's like Jasmine in the first time we went here. Oh, Steven. Steven's checking in. Get the seagull.
Yeah.
Steven Seagull.
Steven Seagal.
I am just looking for some products for my hair and for yes. Okay.
Do you need help, or did you just want to take a browse first?
Take a browse first and then I'll.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So. Sorry.
My husband uses these ones. Detangling brushes. For his beard.
Okay, sweet. Tripod. Should I have my tripod? So yes guys, that's it for Sally's. I am currently on my way to Walmart. That's the next stop. So come along. So guys, I'm here in Walmart. Just gonna pick up a few stuff. Not much, not gonna spend a lot of money. Just a few personal items. Well, I'm trying to find a near. You know, people normally don't wax or shave my legs, but I feel like I want to do it right about now. So right now, I look for a good near. I normally don't do it because every time I shave, end up say, me get scar. Something always happen. So right now I'm trying to find one. Every time I remove the eardrum from my legs, there's always something. It's like my ear detect if mosquito go bite me or something. But every time I take off the ear, bump and all that sort of something. So I don't normally shave. But right now I feel like I'm in the mood to shave my legs. So I'm gonna shave it. So I got this one. It's not bad, it's just $9. Around $49 right now. And eyelashes look nice though. Can't afford it. It's eye shopping. This is Vavavoom. This is a lot. Yep. Makeup set too, you see, but not buying it right now. They're not too bad. Price end up to about $26. You can get stuff right here. Plus eye shopping as well. Okay. Moisturizing skin tone foundation. Matte cover. Really don't really want a foundation, but I'm just an eye shopping for when I'm going to need one. And then in this oil we have, what's this stuff? I really want nothing, you know. Really don't want nothing. Really don't want nothing, you know, huh? I'm gonna straighten up and go. Cause something I gonna catch my eye and I'm gonna spend money when I don't want to spend. You know. Guys, I haven't gone shopping by myself in years, and trust me, I got so used to shopping with everyone till right now shopping by myself feels too lonely. I think I love the company of having somebody else walking with you, you know, giving their opinion on items. Right now, I feel lonely. I feel really lonely doing shopping by myself. But anyways, sometimes being by yourself it's good. You have time to think, no distraction. You know, you can meditate. Shopping is meditation for any females. I love shopping, but as I said, I feel a little bit lonely. But anyways, come on guys. Men aisle, men section. No, I will have the mark giving me his opinion on what he wants or anything. But although I know what he loves and love seeing him in, he will always have something to say. But anyways, come on guys. So yes guys, that's it. End of shopping. Things are costing too much. Right now, I think they overshop or overspend because everything is expensive. I just took up like 5 or 6 items here in Walmart, including Malika Kida Shore, and it's a rack over $100. So I'm like, that's it. Anything I don't get today, I'll get later and not today. But anyways, this is the end. I don't know. Maybe they might drop something right here. See you guys later.